Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to clear browsing data in Microsoft Edge. Open Microsoft Edge on your PC. Click on the three dots icon in the top right corner of the window. Select History from the drop-down menu. History window will open. Now click on the three dots icon in the top right corner of this window. Select Open History page from the drop-down menu. Here you can see all your browsing history. Most recent history is shown first and older history can be found below. To delete individual history, click the X icon next to the history you want to delete. To delete multiple history at once, click the Clear Browsing Data link at the top. Under Time Range section, select your preferred time range. Select Browsing History and uncheck the remaining checkboxes. Click the Clear Now button. That's it, browsing history is now cleared. This is how you can clear browsing data in Microsoft Edge. Thank you for watching.